Welcome to Retail Resource. My name is Lori, and today I am going to show you how to assemble one of our latest mannequins. Prior to assembling your mannequin, we recommend washing your hands to prevent any dirt or residue from your hands transferring to the surface of the mannequin. The first step in assembling your mannequin will be to attach the chrome upright to the base. The upright is threaded. Just take the threaded piece, line it up with the hole, and turn clockwise. Make sure that the upright is very secure so that your mannequin is stable. Next, we're going to put calf rod onto the legs. On the back of the legs, you'll notice that just below the calf, a little to the side, there's a hole. Take the calf rod with the points up and the angle toward the legs and line it up with the hole. It's probably helpful to angle the mannequin back so it's easier to slide the calf rod. Hold it in place, come around to the base, line up the calf rod with the metal upright, and slide until your feet hit the base. And then make sure you turn the knob again to make sure the calf rod is tight to prevent this from moving too much. Next, we're going to take the torso and head and place them on the waist. As you can see on the bottom, there's an opening that fits over this metal post. There's a screw at the top that may need to be adjusted if you have any difficulty placing this on and turning it. As you can see, you turn it and all seams line up. Next, we're going to attach the left hand and left arm. The left hand is threaded. Line it up with the arm, turning clockwise. And you want to make sure that this is on secure. It seems like it's tight, but I can still give it one good turn. This tab on the arm will go into the T-slut on the shoulder. All lined up here. Next, I'll take the right arm and the right hand, attach them. The knob on the hand is threaded. Insert into the arm and turn clockwise. Right, and just make sure to give it one good turn at the end to make sure everything is tight. Again, I'll look at the tab on the arm, line it up with the T-hole on the shoulder, and just slide gently in place. Now we have assembled our mannequin. If you're interested in purchasing the mannequin that we unboxed today, go to retailresource.com and enter item number 12442. Thank you for watching.